Do you want a cup of tea?
Yeah, sure.
Do you want milk?
Yes, please. Check it's in date though.
Ooh, the milk's off.
The milk's gone off, has it?
Yeah, it's out of date.
What was the expiry date on it?
It went out of date 2 days ago.
Ah, right. It must be rotten then.
Yeah, it's gone bad. It's all lumpy inside.
You better chuck it away then.
Yeah, I'll throw it in the bin.
Hi guys, Luke from BritScent here. Today we're going to learn some vocabulary and expressions to talk about food that has gone bad. These expressions can be used with all types of food, whether it's meats, fruits or liquids. Sometimes if we leave food in the fridge for too long and forget about it, it's no longer good to eat anymore. So how do we describe food that's no longer good to eat? Let's watch the roleplay again and look at some of the phrases and expressions that we used.
Do you want a cup of tea?
Yeah, sure.
Do you want milk?
Yes, please. Check it's in date though.
Ooh, the milk's off.
The milk's gone off, has it?
Yeah, it's out of date.
The first expression we're going to look at is out of date. Food usually has an expiry date printed on the packaging that indicates when the food is no longer good to eat. So therefore, if it is no longer good to eat, we can simply say it's out of date or it's gone out of date. Or alternatively, if it's good to eat, we could say that it's in date.
Ooh, the milk's off.
The milk's gone off, has it?
We also use the expression gone off, which is a colloquial expression to say out of date. Off is used colloquially in this context to mean rotten or bad. So if food has gone off or is off, it simply means it's no longer good to eat anymore.
What was the expiry date on it?
Expired is a formal or official way to talk about food that has gone off or is out of date. Expired here is referring to the expiry date that is legally required to be printed on perishable foods. It went out of date 2 days ago.
Ah, right. It must be rotten then.
The word rotten can also be used to describe food that has expired. Rotten describes something that is in decay, so when food has gone bad or spoiled, which is another way to say gone off, it is literally rotten. Yeah, it's gone bad. It's all lumpy inside.
You better chuck it away then.
Yeah, I'll throw it in the bin. And so finally, in the end, what should we do with our horrible, rotten, gone off food? Well, we should throw it away or chuck it in the bin. These phrasal verbs are very useful and commonly used when we want to dispose of something. So don't forget to chuck out your expired food and recycle the containers, of course. Well, that's enough from me today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.